Hi kids, how are you? Beautiful days of Christmas. I just decorated the house, the trees, the lights, and now it's time for me to spend time with my family. How wonderful! But today I thought that we could play first a game with my beautiful snowball. Do you like it? When you shake it, the snow moves. And this one is a very special one. You want to see how special it is? Come on, say with me. 1, 2, 3, shake the snowball. 1, 2, 3, shake the snowball. And oh, look what happens. There's a message coming out. Let's read. Oh, there's a missing word. Okay. In winter, we eat soup. In winter, eat soup. And oh, look, we have two options, can or can't. What do you think? In winter we can eat soup or in winter we can't eat soup? What is the right one? We can, yes. And it feels delicious and warm. Yes, that is the right answer. We can eat soup. Great, thank you. Fantastic. Let's shake again the snowball. 1, 2, 3, shake the snowball. 1, 2, 3, shake the snowball. Okay. Oh, wow. Again, in winter, we wear a coat. Wear a coat. In winter, we wear a coat. And again, the options are can and can't. In winter, we can't wear a coat, or in winter, we can wear a coat. We can and we must, because otherwise we will get C. Yes, we can. Yes, we can. Yes, we are correct. Great. Okay, one more time. 1, 2, 3, shake the snowball. 1, 2, 3, shake the snowball. Oh, in Christmas, A-C-N apostrophe T. Oh, that is not okay. No. I cannot read it. Yeah. No, I don't understand. And what options do we have? Can or can't? What do you think is the right word? Yeah. A-C-N apostrophe T. No. I can swim at the beach or I can't swim at the beach. I think it's I can't, right? But the letters were not properly ordered. Yeah, I can't. Okay, great. And the last time, 1, 2, 3, we shake the snowball. 1, 2, 3, we shake the snowball. And in winter, I wear sandals. I can or I can't wear sandals. Come on, that is super easy. What can I wear and what should I wear in winter? Yeah, otherwise we will get super cold. I can't wear sandals. Am I right? Yes, I am. Great. Thank you, guys. You really helped me today.
Compra nuestros cuadernos y aprende desde donde quieras. Tienes un método súper intuitivo y fácil público en nuestra web. Solo tienes que seguir el orden de las imágenes, ver nuestros vídeos donde jugamos con gramática y sobre todo hacer las actividades con nuestro equipo. De esta manera, tus hijos nunca más harán los deberes solo y sobre todo aseguras que aprenden gramática de una manera natural, la mejor manera de practicar inglés desde casa.
Hello, my friends. Okay, now we're here working with the verb can and can't. Okay, remember, can, the things yes, you can do are likely to be done. And can't, it's better if you don't do them. But remember, it's just probability, and sometimes what we think we can do, other people think they can't do. So it's okay, it's just an exercise to practice. Let's go. In winter, when it's cold, Christmas time, okay, yes, it's cold outside. What? In winter, I wear boots. Okay, remember the boots for the feet. So I can, yes, I can. I think it's a good idea if in winter you wear boots. So let's just say I can. I can wear boots. In winter, I swim in the beach. Swim in the beach in winter? Better to not do it. So let's just say I can't, okay? I can swim in the beach. Now let's go for ice creams. Ice creams, yummy, yummy. In winter, when it's cold, it's I can or I can't eat ice creams. I mean, I can. It's okay if you eat ice creams. But in summer, you eat much more. And as we are working with these two words, makes more sense for the context to say, I can't eat ice creams. So, I can't. It's winter. And what about sandals for the feet? If I said that it's better to wear boots, I think that for winter, better to not wear them. So I can't wear them. If I go outside, my feet will get cold. What about this one? I ski in the mountains. In winter, I can't ski or I can? Yes, I can because the mountains are super snowy. And finally, in winter, I can't eat soup or I can eat soup. Of course, I can eat soup. I can eat soup. Well done!